They all say Fog Harbor City is a perfect place. Here, every animal can find where they belong. What do you want to be?
Mia, I want to be the best officer in Fog Harbor.
Not every dream is taken seriously.
She wasn't born strong. She didn't stand out. But she kept going. Again and again.
After rigorous training, Miss Oder grew up. 2 years later, upon graduation, she was assigned to work at the police.
You're new here?
Yes, and your first ticket.
Not very friendly.
Not for you.
Stop thinking. Why the tower again? This watch shouldn't be outside.
What is it?
Take it back!
Why am I running?
Because they want you!
Who are you?
Someone who knows the truth.
My brother disappeared there. The system is involved? I'm afraid, yes. It is revealed.
Impressive.
You did this?
I kept the city stable.
They won't stop.
Then we'll be the ones to stop them. We're going straight for the head of the snake, their top leadership.
You're under arrest!
A clear sky is never given. We're partners now.
Still ticketing you.
I miss that. Someone has to move the cloud.